In the picturesque landscapes of Bihar, amidst the simplicity of a small village named Bihariganj, a young Ranjit Kumar Agrawal embarked on a journey destined for greatness. With a thirst for knowledge, Ranjit ventured into the city of joy, Kolkata, to pursue his dreams. Rajendra Chhatra Bhavan became his home in Kolkata, where he embarked on his journey. High secondary from Sri Jain Vidyalaya and graduating from Calcutta University, he ventured further, delving into the realms of chartered accountancy and company secretarial studies. His dedication bore fruit when he attained membership with ICAI in 1999. Setting his sights on professional growth, he joined BP Agrawal and Associates in Guwahati, and in 2000s, he acquired his certificate of practice. His exemplary commitment to the cause of profession propelled him with distinction and humility, and he was elected in the Eastern India Regional Council of ICAI for the term 2010 to 2013. He served as the Treasurer, Secretary and Vice Chairman of the EIC of ICAI for these 3 years and got re-elected for the term 2013 to 2016. Elected as Chairman of the EIRC of ICAI in 2013, Ranjit's leadership prowess and selfless service earned him the admiration and respect of his peers, establishing him as a beloved figure within the fraternity. Under his leadership, EIRC achieved the prestigious accolade of being recognized as the best regional council by ICAI. His tenure witnessed a remarkable milestone with the regional conference he orchestrated, drawing an unprecedented attendance of over 3,000 delegates, a record that endures to this day. Adding to the council's footprint, he oversaw the establishment of 3 new branches in Dibrugarh, Tinsukia, and Raniganj. His innovative spirit shone through in the introduction of a highly anticipated corporate quiz during his tenure, attracting participation from esteemed personalities. He also pioneered the institution of the Memorial Lecture in honor of the esteemed late Sir Prime Minister Narilawala, a former president of ICAI, a gesture graced by the esteemed presence of Sir Piyush Goyal, the then honorable member of Rajya Sabha. His passion and love for the profession got him being elected in his first attempt in the Central Council of the ICAI for the term 2016 to 2019. He got re-elected for further 2 terms, that is, 2019 to 2022 and again for the term 2022 to 2025. While serving as the Central Council member since 2016 and then as Vice President in 2023 to 2024, he has led the profession from front and shown his unwavering commitment to the profession. His approach and guiding principle are to keep the nation first and profession first in all his endeavors. In all his stints, he has led initiatives to build trust, confidence, and leadership. As the chairman of the Professional Development Committee, he played a pivotal role in the successful implementation of initiatives such as UDI and earning him the moniker UDI and Man and Bank Branch Audit Allocation Software, marking significant milestones for the institute. Furthermore, his instrumental role in extending UDI and implementation to SAARC countries underscores his global impact. Mr. Agrawal's tenure as the chairman of the Ethical Standards Board saw the formulation of a new code of ethics after a decade, a testament to his expertise and commitment to upholding ethical standards within the profession. He also pioneered the mobile app for CA students as vice chairman of Board of Studies towards his love for the students. He also initiated the CA Business Leaders 40 Under 40 campaign to build leaders for tomorrow. Now, as he assumes the mantle of the presidency, Sir Ranjit Kumar Agrawal stands poised to lead the institute into a new era of growth, innovation, and excellence, guided by his love for the profession, his selfless attitude, and his unwavering commitment to the fraternity. Sir Ranjit Kumar Agrawal, a visionary leader, a compassionate mentor, and a true ambassador of the accounting profession, adorned with his accomplishments and propelled by the vision of manifesting the aspirations encapsulated in India at 2047. In this pursuit, he endeavors to further elevate ICAI's stature on the global stage, envisaging its ascent to becoming a global leader of accounting profession. In his honest tenure for the sake of the profession, the contribution of his better half also requires due mention, which has assisted him in taking care of the profession. Mrs. Suman Agrawal has proved to be a true partner of the stalwart and contributor to his professional excellence and success.